good, fabulous followers. I really did not feel like doing no ring light and all that kind of carrying on. I'm just about to unbox this HelloFresh kit real quick and get back to work. I gotta get some work done tonight because I'm off for the next couple of days. And yeah, so I just ordered 2 meals so that I can switch up the flavor and stuff while eating this weekend with my babe for her birthday. So I got, again, going to flavors, I got us a little chocolate peanut butter oat bites dessert. One day we're gonna have crispy maple mustard chicken with roasted potato wedges and carrots. And another day we're gonna have beef flautas. I think I'm saying that right, flautas. Supreme with pico de gallo and smoky red pepper crema. I think that's gonna taste good. I know we both like a little spice. I apologize, y'all, for the lighting. I just want to go through all that. So those are the two meals: the chicken, the flautas, and then the dessert. Like we don't have enough dessert around here already. So this is the beef flauta supreme. They always put everything you're gonna put in it in the bag, and then the meat comes separately. So we got Mexican cheese, Tex-Mex pesto or paste, Tex-Mex paste. We got the wraps, tomato, crema. I love the crema. I like it when you make it too. Onion, more crema, red pepper crema, and then this is Southwest spice. So that's everything in that kit. Not a lot. I like that. For the beef flautas. Here's the kit for the crispy maple mustard chicken. Okay, a whole bunch of little potatoes. I'm not going to bring all of them out. This is how they look. Panko breadcrumbs. Also some carrots in here. I love the freshness foods that you get, and I also love the spice blends. Grey Poupon, Dijon mustard, and maple syrup. This is maple syrup. I had to look, and I'm like, what? So I like the fact that neither one of them have too many, whole bunch of ingredients, because if you watch some of my other HelloFresh, you will know that they were multiple ingredients a lot of times. And this is our chocolate peanut butter oat bites. I didn't even ask her if she was allergic to peanut butter. Shaking my head. Oats, rice, coconut, peanut butter, chocolate chips, honey, and then $100 wine voucher. We got the ground beef for the flautas and the chicken cutlets for the crispy maple mustard chicken. So there it is. Take that out. And about to put all this away and get back to work. So yeah, that is the HelloFresh. I'm not sure if I'll record us cooking them or maybe just try to get a picture at the end or get a little bit of footage. But it probably won't be typically like how I do when I'm here alone. So just know that. But yeah, crispy maple mustard chicken and beef flauta supreme with quick and eat chocolate peanut butter oat bites. And for some reason, if she's allergic to peanut butter, I can make them for myself later, because baby, we got sweet potato pie, we got cupcakes. She said she didn't want me to get the ice cream cake. Don't worry about it. But I'm still kind of tempted to go get it. But we also said we're going to light one of these for KJ on the 22nd because that was going to be his original due date. So I absolutely love that idea. Of course I do. So yeah, just a little quick HelloFresh unboxing. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Thumbnail. Y'all like the cut? Y'all think she liked the cut?
And you still gotta feel me. A house is a heart, I don't own no realty. Thought I paid my dues, but the game still build me. They took my innocence, no surprise I pled guilty. Used to love to hit the court, now I hate to go. Used to rake leaves for money, now they pushing snow.